Hello everyone, welcome back. Is Sarvam AI really India's answer to ChatGPT, a true rival, or just another chatbot with marketing hype? Let's break it down. So Sarvam AI is an Indian-developed generative AI platform designed to provide chat, content creation, and task assistance similar to ChatGPT and other large language models. It's pitched as tailored for Indian users with local context, languages, and region-specific understanding built in. Here's what people like to talk about. Localized understanding. Sarvam AI has better regional context for Indian culture, names, and vernacular phrases, which some users prefer over generic international models. Multi-language support. It can handle Indian languages like Hindi and English seamlessly, which is huge for local use. But here's the reality. Sarvam AI isn't yet as mature or polished as ChatGPT in overall accuracy, depth of knowledge, or advanced creativity. Global models still have a broader dataset and deeper reasoning ability. Some users report inconsistencies or errors in complex responses, and it's still developing in areas like coding, creative writing, and nuanced logic. So is Sarvam AI India's rival to ChatGPT? Sort of, yes, but not fully. It's a legitimate and promising Indian AI platform with strengths in local context, languages, and regional relevance. But in terms of raw power, breadth of training data, and advanced reasoning, the global leaders like ChatGPT still have the edge. If you're in India and want localized AI with regional understanding, it's worth trying. Just don't expect it to blow away the big global models yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.